Moving to media now, DB Corp announced results. Let's go across and join Girish Agarwal, director from the company. Girish, morning. Your advertising revenues continue to be sluggish. Is this looking like a fairly prolonged sluggish cycle for advertising from the feedback that you're getting from your clients?
Yeah, looks like, because this is the third quarter where the numbers are not as per our expectation on the top line. But if I compare it with the quarter 4 and the quarter 1, there has been a 9% growth. Now, if that can be taken as a growth indication, then things may improve in the next quarter. That's what we are assuming. But overall, I don't able to see any major signs from the advertisers saying that next quarter is going to be bumper.
You've already been experiencing sluggishness in many areas like banking and real estate, but of late there have been some signs that even the consumer sector is beginning to slow down. Have you seen evidence of that?
Not on the FMCG, because that sector is very small for us anyway. It's around 6% of overall advertising. So that sector has not been affected much. But the one concern area is the government advertising, because that sector has slightly taken a dip. Now that has been a constant sector with a 10-12% growth year on year, but that is slightly concerned now.
Girish, morning. The segment that was pulling some weight for you was actually education, and even on that there's been some pretty sluggish trends this time round. Is education the one that's pulling ad performance down?
See, in the education, the retail education which we get from our markets has been okay. There's been a growth. But the national advertisers on the education, there has been a bit of sluggish environment over there. Now, overall, I think what we have analyzed and look forward for saying that now the dependency on one sector or two sector in a particular quarter need to be taken out. Like in the quarter 1, education used to be a very big segment. So now we are planning that going forward that our dependency, any sector which is performing more than 10% for the overall revenue, we need to look for an option, work out some more sectors working on it.
I believe you've also faced some upward pressure on newsprint prices, Girish. How do you plan to take that on for the rest of the year, either in terms of whether you can increase prices of products or you're expecting some relief on the advertising front?
On the newsprint, we have seen around 6% year-on-year growth on the quarter in terms of rates, and another 6% because of the quantity. So quantity is very much in our hand, because the expansion what we are doing in the states of Rajasthan, Punjab or the Maharashtra, where we launched a few more editions this year. So that's within our company's control. Another 6% which came as a newsprint cost increase. I think that what we have from the market, that next 2-3 quarters is going to be not any kind of increase happening over there. So that looks like under control. And we have taken some cover price increase in few of the markets.
Do you see margins drifting even lower from here, Girish? Because I know this time there was a forex hit, but even if you adjust for that, it looks like the pressures on your margins are building up.
No, if I compare the Q4 margin to the Q1 margin, from 21% we have gone up to around 22.4%. And also because the reason the new additions of Maharashtra and Jharkhand, they are getting stabilized. For example, my emerging market losses in the last quarter was to the tune of almost 20 crores. While in this quarter it has come down to 12 crores. So the margins in terms of percentage, I think this is going to improve going forward, because my losses in the emerging market is coming down drastically.
You've seen advertising down cycles in the past, Girish. Having seen the experience in previous cycles, how many more quarters of pain is it looking like this time around, realistically?
2000, this pain was for 10 months. Then in 2008 and 9, this pain was for 14 months. So July, 10 months crossed. We are waiting for the 4 months to get crossed.
Nicely put. What about circulation revenues, Girish? What's the outlook there for even the calendar year?
See, circulation revenue, we have taken a conscious call that in most of the markets we are not increasing the cover price. In few markets where we felt that we have a clear dominance, we have increased the cover price. But whichever market we want to expand, like Rajasthan, some markets of Madhya Pradesh or Gujarat or Punjab, we have consciously taken a call that we are not going to increase the cover price, because that's the easiest way to take money. But that contributes only around 22% for the total revenue of mine. Now, even if I take a 10% jump on that, that's not going to add on significantly to my numbers. So we've taken a call that we will not really go after that, so far.
Good luck, Girish. Thanks very much for joining in as always. That's DB Corp talking candidly about a very sluggish advertising market. 0.5% down that stock at 200 rupees, so not much change.